In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get new app users on Temu fast in 2025. To get started, open the Temu app and sign into your account. Make sure you're logged into the correct account before doing anything else, since your referral activity and rewards will be tied to that profile. Once you're inside the app, look for the section labeled Invite Friends, Referral, or Rewards. The exact wording can vary slightly depending on the version of the app or the promotion currently running, but it will usually be easy to spot from the home screen, account area, or promotional banners. When you find that section, open it and look for your unique referral link or referral code. This is the tool Temu gives you to bring in new users. Go ahead and copy the referral link or code carefully so you can share it without mistakes. If the app gives you multiple sharing options, you can also use those built-in shortcuts to make the process quicker. Next, share your referral link with friends, family, or other eligible new users. You can send it through social media, messaging apps, or email, depending on what works best for you. The important thing here is to share it clearly and make sure the person understands that they need to use your exact link or code. If they sign up without it, the referral may not count toward your rewards. Also, pay close attention to who you invite. If the promotion requires brand new users, only send your link to people who have never created a Temu account before. That part is very important because existing users may not qualify even if they click your link. After that, ask the new user to sign up using your referral link or to enter your referral code during registration if that option is available. Depending on the current promotion, signing up alone may not be enough. They may also need to complete an additional action, such as creating their account fully or placing a qualifying order. Encourage them to follow the instructions on their screen so everything is completed properly according to Temu's terms. Once your invites are sent and people start signing up, return to the Invite Friends or Rewards section to track your referral progress. This is where you can monitor whether the referral has been counted and whether any requirements are still pending. Finally, after all the required steps have been completed,